Summoning as additional accused. Member of unlawful assembly. One of the charges being Section 149, one simply has to be a part of an unlawful assembly. Any specific individual role or act is not material. Informant unambiguously assigned the roles to 3 assailants as well, who were named in the FIR but not made accused in the charge sheet. Trial court summoned them. Order assailed by one of summoned accused are. High Court set aside summoning order by giving reasoning that R was found innocent during investigation, never used the gun, and had actually fled from the spot. Observations are even factually incorrect. Moreover, no overt act needs to be assigned to a member of an unlawful assembly. High Court erred in appreciating the merits of the evidence which was to be done during the trial, by cross-examination of the witnesses and scrutiny of the court. Impugned order set aside.